how to get voice chat on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and use voice chat on Roblox step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So before starting anything, first you need to make sure that you have the age eligibility on your Roblox account because voice chat on Roblox is only available for the users who is 13 years or older than that. So make sure that your account has correct date of birth and also make sure that your account is verified through the email and phone number. So here you just have to verify the account with email or phone number to get the voice chat option. And here, once you have verified your account, then what you can do is simply go to the main settings section, and from here, you can simply tap on privacy and content restriction. And now, here in this section, just tap on communication, and there under communication, just tap on voice chat and simply toggle on this enable microphone option. And here, once you have turned on this option, then you can simply go back and there under experience chat, you can set everyone as your option. And here with that, you can simply open any game that suppose or supports voice chat and look for the microphone icon on the screen, and after that you can just tap on it to speak with other players, and that's it. That's how you can enable and use voice chat on Roblox. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.